Hey! Hey, we're out here. We're out here. Munch Club TV. We're back again. Right. I just got loads of crap in my fridge, yeah? I've got half of this, half of that. I'm just gonna literally make something. So we're gonna make my favorite thing, noodles, using packet ramen noodles. You might have seen the ramen one where we used ramen noodles and we just basically made that into like a really nice soup. This is just gonna be stir-fry noodles, super quick, super easy. Oil into a wok, super hot, super quick. Let's do it. I've got half a pepper, half an onion, half a leek. You think I was joking? I wasn't joking when I said I have half of everything. I'm not even joking. I've got some coriander, a couple cloves of garlic, salt, pepper, sriracha, obviously. Not much left. Boys, just sponsor me. 5 spice, sesame oil, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce. And it's all gonna go in. It's all gonna be PENG. Right, so we're going to wait for this to get super hot. That's smoking. So we're just going to get into it. Onions and leeks, coriander, garlic, salt, pepper, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, sesame oil, 5 spice. Noodles. Oyster sauce. You can tell that a man's done noodles, isn't it? Like, no one's making noodles like Nashi, bro. Nashi's noodles come in real soup. Come on. Are you mad? Mix, your turn. You do? Wicked, right. Right, let's serve this up, done. Should we do an egg? Let's chuck an egg on top. Oh my god. Right. I'm not even gonna be fancy. Straight in there. I'm not even cleaned it out. Watch out. It's fine, it's fine. And obviously, pièce de resistance. Nah, honestly, sriracha fam. I'm running out of sriracha. This is ginger flavour sriracha. And we're just gonna... And that's it. That is like a meal that you can make. Super cheap, super easy. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's going off. We're releasing every Friday, 4 PM. We've got loads of really cool stuff. Loads of interviews, loads of like recipes, all kinds of stuff. Make sure you join us. Make sure you follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Insta, Snapchat, all of that at Munch Club TV. Yeah? Come on. Go watch it.